Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Maths Olympiad by Subbarao. Today our topic is a piece of wire when bent to a form of circle will have the radius of 84 centimeter. If the same wire is bent to a form of square, then what is the length of the side of the square? A piece of a wire means from here to here. This is piece of a wire. A piece of a wire when bent to a form of circle, have a radius of 84 centimeter. This piece of a wire bent in the form of circle have the radius 84 centimeter. Next, the same wire is bent in the form of a square. In the same wire bent in the form of a square. Then, what is the side of the square? What is the length of the side of the square? Square means all sides are equal. So, length of the side. We have to find out now. Next, given data. What is given data? So, radius of the circle is given, that is 84 centimeter. Radius of the circle is equal to 84 centimeter. There are two conditions here. What is the two conditions? The piece of wire bent in the form of a circle. This is first condition. Next, second condition. The same piece of wire bent in the form of a square. So that means length of piece of wire is equal to circumference of the circle. Similarly, length of piece of wire is equal to circumference of the square. That is perimeter of the circle or perimeter of the square. This is the condition here. What is the condition? Length of wire. Length of wire is equal to circumference of the circle and square of the circle. So that is the condition here. What is the condition? What is the condition here? Length of the wire. Length of the wire is equal to circumference of the circle, that is perimeter of the circle, perimeter of the circle, that is equal to perimeter of the square, perimeter of the square. Now, he has given one information, that is a piece of a wire when bent to form of a circle will have a radius of 84 centimeter. Circle radius is given 84 centimeter. That is the given data. So, circumference of the circle is equal to, that is perimeter of the circle is equal to, actually how much length of wire it is bent he has not given. So, after forming a circle, it have the radius of 84 centimeter. So, circumference of the circle is equal to length of the wire. That is the same circumference of the square. Now, circumference of the circle, perimeter of the circle is equal to, what is the perimeter of the circle? 2 pi r. That is equal to 2 into pi, 22 by 7 into r, 84. 7 ones are 7 12s are 7 ones are 7 12s are. So 12 into 2, 24. 24 into 22. 24 2s are 48. 48, 48. It is 48, 48, 5 to 8. 5 to 8 centimeter. Since it is a length, it is in centimeters. Perimeter of the circle is equal to 528 centimeter. So that means the length of the wire is equal to 528 centimeter. So this 528 centimeter wire bent in the form of circle, it have the radius of 84. So this is the first condition. What is the second condition? The same wire is bent in the form of a square. The same wire bent in the form of a square. So that means you write the condition here. Circumference of the circle is equal to circumference of the square. Circumference of the circle is equal to circumference of the square. So that is length of wire. Circumference of the circle is equal to circumference of the square. What is the circumference of the square? Formula: circumference of the square is equal to the square is equal to side plus side plus side plus side. 4 sides. That is 4 into side. That is 4 into A. 4 into side. That is 4A. So circumference of the square 4A is equal to circumference of the circle. So therefore 4A is equal to circumference of the square is equal to circumference of the circle. What is the circumference of the circle? 528. 528 centimeter. Then 4A is equal to 528. 4 here, 4 here it is multiplying. We'll go to that side, division. A is equal to 528 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 threes are 4 ones are 4 threes are 4 twos are 132. That is equal to 132 centimeter. What is this 132 centimeter? Side. This side of the square is equal to 132 centimeter. Side of the square is equal to 132 centimeter. Therefore, side of the square is equal to 132 centimeter. Again, I am repeating now. A piece of wire, when bent to form a circle, will have the radius of 84 centimeter. So this is piece of the wire. It is bent in the form of circle. It have the radius of 84 centimeter. That is first condition. Next, second condition. If the same wire is bent to the form of square, the same wire is bent in the form of square, then what is the length of side? So that means wire length is same. The same wire is bent in the form of circle, then bent in the form of square. So that means length of wire is equal to perimeter of the circle, that is equal to perimeter of the square. So these three are equal. 3 are equal means length of wire is equal to circumference of the circle is equal to circumference of the square. This is the condition. Next, he has given us radius of the circle 84 centimeter. Radius of the circle is equal to 84 centimeter. Now, length of the wire is equal to what is the condition? Perimeter of the circle. So when we know radius, easy to find out the perimeter of the circle. Perimeter of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 84, or for simplification 528 centimeters. So that means this 528 centimeter is nothing but length of the wire. The same length of the wire bent in form of a square. Square means what is the perimeter of the square? 4 into side, 4 sides. Circumference of the square is equal to 4 into side. So circumference of the circle is nothing but the circumference of the square. That is 4a is equal to circumference of the circle 528. Therefore a is equal to, here 4 is multiplying, will go to that side, division. After simplification 132 centimeter. Therefore side of the square is equal to a 132 centimeters. He asked us to find out length of the side of the square. Length of the side of the square is equal to 132 centimeters. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. If you are interested, kindly like, subscribe, share our friends group, ask them to subscribe such more practice videos. Thank you very much.